Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to stop search engine not to store a cache version of the page in Wix. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Wix editor. On left side you see pages and menu, so click on it, and then you see side pages and menu. So we have multiple pages. So when we hover on it, then you see three dots, so click on it, and then you see settings, so again click on it. So we are in page setting. Now you see multiple option. So click on advanced SEO. So click on it, and then you see multiple option again. Now you see reports meta tag. So click on it. Now you see multiple option, and then you see no archive. Enable this option. Now you see the cache link for this page will not be seen in search result. The no archive report meta tag is an instruction that webmaster can use to control how search engine handle their web pages, especially regarding the caching of the pages. When a page includes the no archive directive, it tells search engine not to store a cache version of that page. So when search engine like Google or Bing encounter this tag, they will not create or display a cache version of the page in their search result, and then click on publish. So you can do this setting for multiple pages. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.